Hello, Joe and Denise here, two love coaches. We're doing a workshop, Architecture of Love, that we would love for you to be a part of. One of the things that we're going to be talking about in this workshop on Saturday is fear. Does anybody out there have some fear? Is fear showing up in your relationships? Is fear showing up in your finances? Is fear showing up to prevent you from having fun? Where is fear showing up in your life? Fear is a universal experience. We as humans have this experience with fear. Have you discovered what the relationship that you have with fear is?
We'll pause.
We have a helicopter.
For a moment of silence.
We have a helicopter flying over.
And a bird.
It's all right. That's
Those
okay.
things are noisy from really far away.
Yeah, that kept going and going. Okay, what is the relationship that you have with fear? Fear is just an energy. It's just an energy. And we can make it bigger. We can make it smaller. Would you like to find out how? You should come to our workshop.
Yes. So we're going to give you a new perspective on fear that is actually going to, it doesn't eliminate it. So I believe that fear will be with us all the time. We will always be confronted with those things that limit us. But when you can learn that fear is the invitation, not the problem, it's the invitation to step into, not a problem to avoid and run away from, which is what most of us do. And I believe that we miss out on the greatest opportunities and the biggest treasures and the biggest growth in our lives because we respond to fear in a way that stops us instead of in a way that empowers us and propels us, moves us forward, moves us toward that which we want. So I think Joe has a story about that. We both.
It's almost impossible to understand that 4 years into our relationship, because Denise had invited me to be completely authentic, I was in the conversation of, this is only temporary. I'm never getting married again. I'm not going to do that. And I'm going to have these other experiences with other women. It's inevitable to happen. Even after we were living together, which I said we would never do. We were playing house together, which I said also we would never do. Like, we're not going to do this. And we've been traveling now in Valentine's Day, you guys. Valentine's Day this Friday is our 6-year anniversary of living together in the motorhome. We took 10 months off to be in an apartment, which was beautiful. But 6 years together in a very small space. And try to imagine this. In a relationship with me, who's in the conversation of, I'm going to leave you at some point, but showing up every day, enjoying the love that we share, working on learning these principles, learning these tools of releasing my attachment to being right, to releasing my attachment to knowing what is in my best interest. Denise has taught me an enormous amount by hitting the pause button when she gets triggered by what I say, I'm going to go off and have this other relationship, and working on this quietly with Spirit so that she can heal and then bring that healing and bring those lessons back to me and to you. Really, this experiment with me is what has become the book, Real Passion Revolution, 10 Secret Ingredients for Healed, Healthy, Happy Relationships. Denise has modeled this for me. She has made me a believer and the first ambassador of love. And we're hoping to expand this teaching into the lives of many, many other people. And we could use your help if you know somebody who's in a difficult relationship or somebody that just wants to rekindle the passion and the love in their life again. Please refer them to us for this Saturday, or bring them with you. Better yet, bring them with you and let us give you a big, long, uncomfortable hug. Well, an uncomfortably long hug. Let's put it that way.
Yes. Awesome. Sounds good.
Anything else?
No.
For this segment?
No, it's great.
We're going to catch you then in the next segment. Cheers to love.
Cheers to love.